What's up, YouTube? Brandon here with Beard Guy EDC, coming back at you guys with another video today. Again, this is another knife that's sent in by my gracious viewer, Gary. So I just want to thank you again for sending in those few knives for me to get on some... I just want to thank you again for sending in those knives so I can get some extra content on the channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's jump in here and do the intro for this video. So Gary sent me a Cold Steel AD-15 Lite, and this is a knife that I've wanted to get my hands on for quite a long time. I really like the action of this knife, and I really like the unique locking mechanism. It's actually designed by Andrew Demko, hence the AD-15. Andrew Demko has designed the Triad lock, and he designed the Scorpion lock that is featured on this particular knife. And his latest design, I believe, is the Shark lock. So Andrew Demko is definitely doing some pretty unique things with knives and the locking mechanisms. I really like his engineering. I really like the way this knife came together. So let's jump in and do a quick unboxing for you guys of this Cold Steel AD-15. I'm probably gonna end up doing a review on this one in the future because I'm actually carrying this guy a little bit. Gary gave me permission to carry these knives, so I'm gonna try them out and see what I think of them. But just for now, let's do a quick little unboxing and first impressions of this Cold Steel. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Have a great day and enjoy the video. Take care. Okay, you guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Cold Steel AD-15 Lite. So this knife was actually sent in by a very generous viewer, Gary Byrne. I thank him greatly. He sent this and a couple other knives that I'm going to unbox and review for you guys. I'm in the process of actually carrying this one for a little bit. I'm going to feel it out, see how it performs, so I can do a bit of a review for you guys. But for today, we're just going to be doing a quick little unboxing just to see what the Cold Steel AD-15 Lite looks like and get a good look at that Scorpion lock mechanism. I've been excited to get a look at that. I don't have anything in my collection with a Scorpion lock, which is Andrew Demko's latest lock design, or I don't know if it's his latest, but it's one of his cool lock designs. He's the actual designer of the Cold Steel Triad lock. So yeah, let's take a look inside this AD-15 box. Okay. So I'm really liking this so far. Okay, so I'm liking this so far. The handles, I like the texture on them. Very nice textured scales there. Feels very grippy. I like it. The Scorpion lock, I'm not sure about yet. Probably going to take a second to get used to. Okay, so let's try the action and see how this thing flips open for you guys. Okay, nice little thwap there. Decently thick blade stock. Okay, pretty nice looking knife. Here's the clip side and the show side. So let's try out this Scorpion lock. Okay, pretty nice action. Decently thick blade stock. Always a plus. I believe this knife is in AS 10A. Yes, AS 10A. Cold Steel, made in Taiwan. Designed by Andrew Demko with the Scorpion lock. See how this thing closes. Okay, so it's actually not that bad to use one-handed. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than that. But no, it actually closes pretty nice one-handed. I really thought this was going to take more getting used to. I like the Scorpion lock, I'm not going to lie. Gary, thanks a lot for sending this in. I'm glad I got to handle this because I might not have bought one otherwise, but I feel like I'm going to have to add an AD-15 to the collection. I really like that action. It's actually quite nice for one-handed operation. Let's try out two hands, see how it closes with two. So right here, just going to pull up on that and gently fold the blade closed. Okay, so it works great with one hand and two-handed opening and closing. Man, that is a nice sound when it opens. I like that Scorpion lock. And with that Scorpion lock, the way that it latches in that groove there, when you're torquing down on the knife using it, you're actually putting more torsion on the lock. So really, the harder you use your knife, the more tension that's going into that lock. It's really a great design. I gotta say, it's pretty genius. And that closing action is just, wow. I like it a lot. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Cold Steel AD-15 Lite, designed by Andrew Demko. Like I said, in a little bit, we'll be doing a review on this knife, as well as a couple others that were sent in by Gary. So again, I just want to thank you very much, Gary, for sending in these couple blades. Can't wait to get this content out. We're going to be doing a few more unboxings and reviews, thanks to Gary, who sent in those few knives, as well as, obviously I still have a lot more in my collection to go through, but it's nice to get some different knives that I don't own and get my hands on some little bit different blades that maybe I might not have bought or had my hands on otherwise. So again, thank you very much. It's nice to get some time with a pretty unique blade here. I got to say, I like this AD-15 very much. And it's probably going to be added to my collection very soon, not going to lie. So we'll do a little pocket check here just to end off the video, show you guys what I'm carrying. I actually just went to the gym, so this is my sweatpants carry. So I'm pretty light here today. But yeah, got the Spyderco Delica 4 VG10 lockback. Great little knife. And I got my i3T EOS. I feel like I always carry this light, but it's small, it's lightweight, it fits in the pocket nice. So yeah, that's the pocket check for the day and a quick unboxing of the AD-15. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the review. Take care.